Hey guys, Jonathan here, Colorado Custom Covers and Decks. Want to go over our ledger here and what we do and how we take off the siding to be able to then get our ledger on. So this is 4x8 sheets plywood siding here. Normally it's lap siding. So if we have lap siding, what we would want to do is take the first row above the door all the way off so we can get our Vicor in there and get everything all waterproof really well. So instead of doing that, this would be a full sheet. What we're going to do is we're going to pull up from the bottom of the door up 2 inches, and we're going to level that across, snap a line, and take our saw and set the depth to about a 1/2 inch so that we're cutting all that plywood out. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom here, is cut the bottom where the bottom of the ledge is going to go, and we'll cut this ply out. As you can see, the original is attached right to the siding. This is why you're not allowed to do that, and this is why there's no flashing in here, right? So the reason why we're cutting this is your rain escaping, so we can get the rain escape underneath there and tape it properly, and then we can get our flashing up in there and flash properly, okay? So we're going to make sure we come in normally with lap siding, take the first row up all the way off where our ledger is going to go so we can get proper tape in there. In this case, we're going to come up 2 inches, snap a line, cut it, and then cut the bottom. So if we're up against the check, we're going to have to check to make sure we're inboard and check that nothing else is all rotten out. So we'll show you the next one here.